today's video, we're gonna check out the WordPress Download Manager plugin and see what it's all about. WordPress Download Manager is a file management plugin you can use to manage, track, and control file downloads from your WordPress website. It allows you to enable passwords, utilize user roles, block bots, spammers, put downloads behind a paywall, as well as many other features. So let's go ahead and check it out. First thing first, upload the Download Manager Pro plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Once that is done, you should see the download menu item added to your sidebar. This area will effectively be your dashboard for the plugin and the management of your downloads. When you press the Add New button, a familiar looking screen will appear. You use the text area for a description of the download, and the title is the name of the download. Creating a new download using the plugin is actually very easy. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a box labeled Attach File. You can attach single or multiple files per new download page. If your file is in a remote location, you can just use the URL tab to link it there. You can also set the download availability period. Under the package settings box, you have 3 tabs. The first level package setting is straightforward. You can set the details for the file that users will see, anchor text, versioning, who can access it, etc. You can then use the drop down for the page template to choose how you want the download page to appear. Up to this point, your download is public and accessible by anyone. Now let's talk about how to protect your files from bots and unauthorized users. Here comes the Lock Options tab. As you can see, there are several options you can use to protect your files depending on your need. Do you want users to agree your terms? Activate the terms lock by check, must agree with terms. Want to password protect your file? Enable password lock. Want to promote your site? Enable LinkedIn share, tweet, Google Connect logs. Want to collect leaks? Enable email log. Simply want to protect your downloads from bots? Enable captcha log. The icons tab is straightforward. You have a library of icons to represent what your customers will be downloading. Now, are you selling digital products? Want to convert your site into an e-commerce platform to sell digital products? Click on Activate Digital Store option, and after activation completed, refresh the page. The price and discount tag will appear, where you can configure your product price. However, we shall discuss details on this in another video. When you publish the download, a new page will be created. The URL will be example.com/download/title of the download. The content of the page is based on what you entered into the settings tab for that particular download. If you don't want to link to the page itself but rather include the table and download button in a separate post, you can actually go into the downloads page in your admin dashboard and you'll see a shortcut column where you can copy and paste it anywhere on your site. If you want more options than just the base plugin gives you, you are in luck. The developers have a massive database of add-ons for you to choose from, including 15 free ones that extend the functionality well beyond this baseline. And there you go, that is everything you need to know about the WordPress Download Manager plugin. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content.